Well, hello, everybody. We are back in the kitchen for another episode of Southern Cooks. This month, we have Joyce King, who is going to be making us a delicious Southern dessert. It's been a while since we've had one, so we thought we'd try this one out. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Joyce King. I've lived in Fleming all my life. I love to cook. I love to eat. And I'm happy to be here at the Bacon Fraser house because I've been here several times. Mr. Fraser, one of the, Olin Fraser, one of the previous owners, was one of my supervisors. And he was a true Southern gentleman, dear to my heart. He was amazing. And I'm just so glad to be here today. And I consider it an honor to be here today with the Convention Visitors Center. I'm glad to do it. And I'm also glad to have my granddaughter here with me, who happens to work here.
Our very own.
She's the program assistant, Delise, and she likes to eat too.
Who doesn't?
But I love to cook, I love to eat, I love to plan meals for my family. To me, cooking is love. It just, it connects, with sharing and caring and just having a good time with family, and friends. And I always enjoy that. I love to, especially for holidays, to have the family and friends over, for a delicious meal and fellowship and conversation and just good old time laughter and fun. That's
all right.
a big part of my life.
Well, it sounds like you are a lot of fun to be around. Tell us a little bit about what we're going to be eating today.
Well, this is one of the easiest ever desserts that you will ever prepare. And it's called cherry pineapple crisp, or some people simply call it a dump cake. And because you just dump all the ingredients, in it. And it takes, first of all, what you do, you take your pan, and we want to do this as we go along? Or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, we're going to, I got to get the lid off this. We're going to take the can of cherry pie filling, and you don't have to grease this bowl or anything, just simply pour it right in there.
What size can was that?
That's a 29-ounce can, and you can use any type pie filling you like. Peach, blueberry, apple, any kind you want. And I was just telling Lisa a few minutes ago, occasionally I will take this can of cherry pineapple and add a can of apple.
Okay.
I'm not doing it today, but you can, and it makes it really full to the top, but that is delicious too. Then you simply take your can of 29-ounce can pineapple. Be sure and don't drain it. You use it with the juice.
Okay.
And you simply let's just put that and make sure we cover it good. Just spread it all on top of the cherries.
Now, is this a recipe you made up? It's one you learned somewhere?
It's one I've used for years.
Okay.
My grandmother's the one that really first showed me how, how to make it. But nothing is any simpler. And this is Lisa's favorite.
Mm-hmm.
She wants to eat the whole thing. She doesn't want to save any for anybody else.
A little greedy.
And she's definitely going to take it. What's left when I cook this, she has already put her name in to take, the rest of it, home with her. All right, so then we're just going to open this. And you can use this is Duncan Hines. This is what I usually use on any kind of, dessert that's called for this. But you can use Betty Crocker, any kind. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be, we got to get the buttermilk. Yeah, you can. So it's the buttermilk. Okay. And you can do this in the bowl.
Now, does she help you make it, or she just eats it?
She just eats it.
Because she burned oatmeal this morning. Just saying, in the microwave, oatmeal.
She does not help at all.
That might be a good thing.
Well, if you can burn oatmeal in the microwave, I'm kind of worried about the rest of the kitchen.
She just likes to eat it already prepared. And you just simply take this, you can pour it in a bowl and might maybe manage it a little bit better, but it's just a matter of emptying this dry cake mix all on top. And one good thing about this is it doesn't take no time to prepare. It takes 55 to 60 minutes, might as well say almost an hour, for it to bake at 325.
Not 56.
Mm-hmm.
So we preheated the oven to 325 then. That's a good thing to know.
Yeah.
And Miss Joyce and I actually know each other as well. She's my best friend's grandma, or one of her grandmothers.
Yeah, do you remember when y'all had a little
Uh-oh.
dresses? Yeah.
Sold dresses?
It was dresses. I think.
There's no telling. We sold a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
We
y'all
said we were
had a little
entrepreneurs.
fashion show in my living room. You don't remember
We're
that?
entrepreneurs. We make, hey Stephanie, she's probably watching or she'll watch later.
Yeah, I remember that. Just had a little fashion show
We
in my
sold a
living
lot of
room.
stuff. We made bracelets.
Yeah,
We do all kinds of stuff.
yeah,
Gotta make money. You don't have to call
that's
her
right.
anywhere else to go.
Yeah.
Grow up in plumbing and rice farming anyway.
Open what?
When you grow up in plumbing and
Oh,
rice
yeah,
farming
that's
anyway,
good. That's
there's not a
good.
whole lot of places to go.
Yeah. That's right. And both of y'all have the personality to really deal with people. So,
It's probably a good thing.
yeah, that helps a lot. Okay, we got that empty. And we're gonna take our butter.
You might burn the butter.
Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. Is that okay?
Yes.
This is just our cherry pie filling, some crushed pineapple, and some yellow cake mix.
With the juice.
With the juice. Yeah, that's what makes it. Okay, so now it's just simple as spooning all this and make sure it's evenly covered. Just spooning all this on top of this. And you know what else this is good? Whenever you make it the most delicious topping for ice cream. Oh, God, it is heavenly.
Did you tell them to buy ice cream on the shopping list?
No,
We have.
it's just as good though without it, but it is good with the.
You're in luck.
Oh, really?
Yay, Leo saved the day.
Ice cream.
Good.
I think I understand why this is Delisa's favorite. It's got cake mix,
Well,
sweet fruit, and butter.
cherry is my favorite. The I've tried all of them. Blueberry, apple, peach, and they're very good, but they're a little sweeter. And I like this because the cherries make it not
so
quite
sweet.
so sweet. This is also my youngest son's favorite. Lisa's got 2 little boys, my grands.
Actually, I have 3 little boys.
I mean 3, yeah. I'm talking about the 2 little ones.
Oh,
George came in the other day, and when he walks in, he calls me great grandma. Peyton calls me Nana. The other 2 call me great grandma. And they say it all. They never say grandma. They say great grandma. And he comes in and says, great grandma, where are the cookies? And I said, I've got some here. And I said, I just made y'all a big batch yesterday. They're already gone. We need some more.
George eats the whole bag of cookies. He doesn't even share.
So
Nobody.
I set him up on the counter and I let him pat out the dough, and put it in the pan. And he thought that was just the greatest thing in the world.
I think that's the thing about Southern when we teach our children how to cook.
Yeah, it's such good memories,
It is.
for them, and they enjoy it. Now, the last step is just take a couple of pecans, or ever how many pecans you like. You can put more if you want to, and just spread these evenly, across. But it's just a lot of fun, to cook to me.
One of my biggest memories with you growing up.
Oh,
always
yeah.
making
Making-
chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah,
Sitting on
on the counter.
the counter with that old blue bowl with a handle.
Yeah. Yeah. And then sometimes she would want to lick the spoon. Before we got through, I said, no, we got to wait till we get Okay, so now we're going to put that in the oven at 325.
Remind us what we have in it before we put it in the oven.
Okay.
One last time.
This is what we got. You start off with our 29-ounce can of cherry pie filling. Now remember, you can use any kind.
Okay.
Any kind. Then next, we use a 29-ounce can of pineapple with the juice.
And crushed. It's crushed pineapple.
Yeah, it's got to be crushed.
Okay.
No chunks or anything like that. Crushed. All right. And then we take our cake mix. It can be any kind. Doesn't have to be any special brand. And simply just take that out of the bag and sprinkle it. Cover it evenly. All over the mixture. And then we take our butter, spoon it evenly over that mixture. 2 sticks.
And we melted it.
Yeah, it's got to be melted. And the last thing is your cup of
Pecans.
dust.
Pecans.
Okay.
Drop pecans.
Yeah, and then 325 for 55 to 60 minutes. You can check it at 55 and see if it looks good and brown. Usually mine is done at 55.
And through the miracle of TV magic.
Dun dun dun!
Now I want y'all to sample this and give me your honest opinion.
And we're never anything but. We'll let you spoon some up and we'll get it plated so we can take a few pictures. And give her a
Some of you
spoon.
may want ice cream and some may not.
Doesn't that look delicious?
It is super good.
I'll let you put some on the plate for photo.
Okay, now how much do you want me to put on there?
Just a,
You want me to put 3 servings?
sure. I'll just put some extra on the side.
She's like that ice cream.
That's okay.
Okay.
That'll be fine.
All right.
I
Okay.
hope you guys are jealous that are watching this.
Alright, let's take a picture or two and then we will
Okay.
sample where people can see.
Alright.
We have to get the pictures because we need pictures for everything we do. Alright, we're going to get you holding it for a
Oh,
photo.
okay.
Take lots because you keep closing your eyes.
Look at her and smoke.
I think I got one. You did.
And also, when you're cooking, I like to deal with the presentation too.
Mm-hmm.
That always makes it,
It does make it taste better.
lots of fun.
It does
Yeah.
make it taste better. Alright. Alright, Aaron, grab the fork.
I know. I don't know if I'm this talented.
Get a little bit of olive. You're getting cherries.
Very good. You're right, it's not very sweet because of the cherries. It's very good.
It is delicious.
So, remind them one more time of everything that's inside.
Okay, you want me to tell them again?
Yep, just one more time.
Okay. All right, we start off with our can of cherry pie filling. Remember, you can use any brand, doesn't matter. 29-ounce can size. Then we take the can of crushed pineapple with the juice. Do not drain it. And then just spread that all on top of the cherry pie filling. Then you take your box of cake mix, preferably yellow cake mix. I've never tried it. With white. That might work. I don't know. I've just never tried it. And then just sprinkle that all over the other mixture. Then take your 2 blocks of melted butter, spread that evenly all over the rest of the dish, and last, the cup of pecans. And that's it. And like I say, if you added a can of apple pie filling to this, it would just simply make it, you don't add anything else but a can of apple pie filling, with the cherry. It simply makes it a little fuller, rise it to the top. And bake it 325 for 55 to 60 minutes, and then voila.
We're done.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming to cook with us and adding to our waistlines. We appreciate it.
Oh, good. But it is an easy, delicious food.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you guys next time.
Okay.